Good afternoon, good morning, good night. Whenever you're watching this video, I'm Daniel from Signature Performance and DuallyWheels.com in Costa Mesa, California. Landed on our YouTube page, and it's hopefully to see a really sick dually that we just finished. This is Travis's 2023 Ford F350. So he found us also on YouTube, made the drive down here from RSM. So thank you, Travis, for making the drive to us. Travis was looking for something super easy, clean, kind of a meat and potatoes type build. And so for most of the phone calls we're getting, can I fit 37s? Do I have to run 35s? How wide does my tire fit? And I'm going to answer a lot of those questions today. So if you have an F350, this is a great video for you to watch. Up front, we're running a 37 1250 20. This is a Avix Trailtek. This is the RT tire. So this is more of an entry-level price point tire. Came out at the fourth quarter of 2025, and it is quickly becoming one of our top moving tires. For as aggressive as it looks, it still is an RT hybrid tire, but is super quiet. I'm actually very shocked at how quiet these tires are. The wheels is the Arena A115. So this is the Arena Tactic. We have these on our site, ready to go, purchased as a package of 6. They're really cool, kind of a little bit more military looking style wheel. We've outfitted them with black lugs. So really nice, clean setup. What did we do to fit these 37s in there is an important question. A lot of guys want to fit as big a tire as possible without as much suspension modifications as possible. So how did we fit these 37s under this truck? Well, suspension, didn't have to put a full lift kit. We just did our most popular, which is a 2.5-inch ReadyLift kit. So the 2.5-inch ReadyLift kit on this truck is running a 2.5-inch front lift coil, Bilstein 5100 front shocks. As you can see there, we did a replacement Bilstein steering stabilizer shock up front, and we also did a track bar bracket. There's a lot of leveling kits out there, and we sell them that don't come with track bar brackets. They are not required, but we kind of look at them as a requirement. The downside of not having a track bar bracket in the front is your axle is not going to sit centered left to right. So if you're already trying to get 37s under your truck, ideally you're going to want to keep that axle centered under the truck. So as far as fit goes, level front to back, this truck sits really, really nice. Something to keep in mind if you are leveling your truck in the front and you tow a lot, you are going to be a little bit unlevel. And if you've ever been driving with full load, going down a highway that goes up and down and your truck is sitting nose high, it's a scary deal. It's not an ideal thing. So if you do carry a lot of load, I do suggest getting some airbags. We did not do any airbags on this particular build, but we do have them. So it's something to consider. As far as rear fitment goes, so the fitment of the Arena Arena brand wheel is designed to fit up to a 12.5-inch wide tire. Okay, now these obviously are a 1250. You can see the clearance in between the two unloaded, and you can also see, most importantly, the clearance outside of the outside fender. The Fords, just the way they're designed with the fender, naturally, that out of all wheel designs or applications, GM and Ram, Ford is the most friendly as far as staying under the truck. So it does come out a little bit, just enough to kind of fill out the fender. You can see it's about 2 inches outside the fender. You could go with a little bit more narrow tire, like a 285. It would be less aggressive, but you're not going to get that in a 37-inch tall tire. We do have another truck that we just finished. You could go see our YouTube page. We did almost identical suspension, but same height, same size wheel, and we did 37 1150. So if you want to see the difference there, you can see that. Super clean. This is our most common dually package that we're shipping. We're shipping them all over Texas, Florida, Missouri. Doesn't matter. We can ship the wheels, tires. They come mounted balance. Sensors will be inside the wheels ready to go. We use regular weights on the fronts, regular weights on the inners, and balancing beads on the rear outers because there's nowhere to place the weights. Everything will come shrink wrapped on a pallet to your doorstep, ready to go like Christmas time in January. We do use OE style sensors, very important for the relearning process. Also for the life of the sensor. Dismounting a dually wheel is not a lot of fun, so we include those quality sensors from the get-go. We're using Gorilla lugs, spline-driven quality lug nuts. Everything will show up to your doorstep ready to go. You can do this right in your driveway. If you have technical assistance, we are not just an online company. We have a full installation facility here in California. You can bring us your truck, ship us your truck like a lot of guys do, and if you're local, drive down. So you can go to duallywheels.com. Feel free to shop around. If you're ready to make a purchase or you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 888-680-0060. We look forward to talking to you.